Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today we will be going to create search indices in Data 360, that is Data Cloud in Salesforce. So in the next session we will be going to see how to use the search index to create a retriever. But before get started, we will be going to create a search index for today's session, right? So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to take membership into my channel to support this channel. So first of all, what is search index? So search index is the foundational indexing layer built on top of a data model object, which is DMO or unstructured data. It basically converts unstructured data such as knowledge article, your PDF documents called transcripts, into a searchable representations, for example chunks or vector embeddings, right? So let me just create a new search index. So we just need to navigate to the search index tab of the Data Cloud application, and we can see this new button. On clicking on this new button, we could create a new search index. And there are two approaches to create a search index. For the time being, I'll just use the easy setup, which will follow a simple automated steps, right? So, and let me just, after selecting this option, we'll be going to click on next, and in here we'll be going to choose a data model object. So in this org, only the case data model object is available, and there is another, but I'll be going to choose the case data model object to create the search index, right? So after selecting the data model object, we just need to click on next, and in here we'll be see search index configuration details. So this will be our search index configuration name case. We could toggle on this one for file included images for kind of scenarios. And target data model objects would be, these of the objects will be created to hold chunking and indexed data created by this search index. So after creating the search index on the case object, these are the two DMOs, two data model objects will be created to hold the information of the chunking and indexing data, right? So first one is the case chunk, and which is object type of chunk, and the case second one is case index, which is object type of index. So on clicking on it, we can create simply a search index in Data Cloud, and after like 15 or 20 minutes it will be ready, and we can see those objects from the data model objects tab in our Data Cloud application. Since I have already created the search index for the case object, I don't need to create on save, since it will just basically create the data model object. So this will be the two data model objects will be created. For example, if your data model object is case, then it will be like case chunk data model object, and the case index data model object, and the status should be ready to use these chunkings into retriever, right? So that's all for today's demo. So today we have understand like how to create a simple search index on a data model object. And as I mentioned, search index like unstructured data, and it will make your knowledge article and PDF documents or your transcripts into a searchable presentations by introducing them as a chunk and by indexing them, right? So once the search index is created, we can use in Agentforce flows tableaus to query it via retrievers, right, to feed grounded real-time context into LLM prompts. So and there are like two two approaches for search index. Like first one is vector search, and the second one is hybrid search. So vector search works as like uses machine learning models to generate dense vector embeddings, and hybrid search combines like semantic and keyword search, exact text matching, right? So we'll be discussing this in deep in some other tutorials, but for the timing I have introduced, today we have covered like how to create a simple search index in Data Cloud, and in the next session we'll be going to see how to create a custom retriever in Data Cloud from the AI models tab. And please stay tuned for that tutorial, and please do check it out my Data Cloud other tutorials as well, so that you could understand the basic knowledge of the Data Cloud. And I have also a masterclass tutorial in my channel. You could navigate to the playlist tab of my channel Salesforce AI Champions, and you could find the tutorials of Data Cloud in this Data Cloud playlist, right? And I have already other tutorials on Omni Studio, Agentforce, flows, Salesforce out of the box configurations, customization, effects, LWC tutorials are available. Please do check it out them in the respective playlist. I have already created them, right? So don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to take a membership into my channel to support my channel. So thanks for watching.